Hey everybody, Ryan Smith with Crow Auto Spot. Today we have a Porsche in here. We're doing some paintless dip repair on. We're getting ready and we're trying to see what the best method and process would be to get this fixed. Now, I'll tell you first of all, the reason why the customer brought the car to us in the first place is because he took it to another shop that offers paintless dip repair service. And they told him that the best way to fix these dents or this dent on his car would be to open up the door and drill a hole somewhere in this area right here so they can stick a tool in to get access clear over there to fix the ding that, in my opinion, is kind of too far actually to get over there and do it. But I wanted to share a couple things with you. Number one is that is not the way to fix a dent, especially being so far away, but also drilling a hole. There's no reason to drill a hole 99.9% of the time to fix a dent. Secondly, is that the customer is going to be dinged on this particular car because they're getting ready to trade it in. They're going to dock him the amount of money to fix that, which would have been several thousands of dollars if you're going to do traditional body work where you're doing the whole quarter panel, into the rails, blending into the door with whatever it takes. You know, doing this would diminish the value of the car. Secondly, to drill a hole in a door jamb would be absolutely terrible to do that. And so the reason why the customer brought it to us is, number one, I've been working on Porsche for nearly 30 years now doing paintless dent repair. And also, I've worked on high-end customers' cars, including Jerry Seinfeld's Porsche collection out of California. And so I want to let you guys know that so that you can have confidence in what we offer here at Crow Auto Spot. So as you look at this car, or these dents right here, you're going to see they're not very big. In fact, they're pretty small, but sometimes the smallest dents will give you a lot of trouble too. And so in gaining the access for these dents, what we want to do is make sure that we're getting in there without drilling a hole. There's several different options. The first option we're going to go with is to remove the tail light. Usually there's going to be a hole or some access point where we can stick a tool in there to remove the dent that way. Another option would be to remove the wheel, because there are plugs underneath in the wheel well that are from the factory that we can pop the plug out and maybe get access that way. The third option would be to take off the bumper. Now I realize that not a lot of paintless dent repair companies are comfortable working on Porsches that way and removing parts and getting access that way, but sometimes that's what it takes. And with all the years of experience that I have under my belt and our team here at Crow Auto Spot, we could definitely remove these without having any issues and be able to take care of that particular dent there for the customer, so that there is no diminished value, there's no drill holes, there's no Bondo, there's no paint, there's nothing. It's going to look like it's brand new, like it never happened. So when he goes to trade his car in, he'll get the full value of what it's worth. And so if you have a situation like that, or if you have a Porsche especially, and you're kind of concerned, make sure that you're questioning the people that are going to be working on your car, or of course bring it to us here at Crow Auto Spot. I'd love to be able to help you out and make that dent go away on your car as well.